How to become an Instacart shopper in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is visit this website, which is going to be shoppers.instacart.com, and simply go ahead and click on get started. Once you've done that, you can create your account either with your email, you can go ahead with your Google, Apple, or Facebook. Once you've simply chosen any of those, you want to simply go ahead and select your zip code that you want to shop on. Then you want to simply go ahead and enter your full name, your email, your phone number. They will also go ahead and ask you for an identity verification. So you'll need to go ahead and provide them your valid driver's license or ID in some regions. And you need to have access to a vehicle, bike, or scooter. And you want to also go ahead and provide them your social security number. Now, once you've done that and they have agreed or they have approved you, you can simply go ahead and go to your dashboard and start taking in orders and earn money on your own schedule. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.